Hey guys, welcome to CoffeeShop Vibes. Welcome to Ispirare Coffeehouse in downtown Kittanning, Pennsylvania. I'm Mike Rizzo, barista, co-founder of Ispirare Coffee, and today we're going to talk about what is a Cortado. We might not know the outcome of the election, but by the end of the short video, we should know what a Cortado is and the origin story of it. All right, I commonly call it, when people come in, they always ask this question, well, what's a Cortado, right? And of course, we're the only place in like 25 miles, either any direction you can get a Cortado. So people always ask, what is it? Well, I always say it's a Spanish cappuccino. And that's pretty much, I think, spot on, although no one else describes it like that. Well, origin of it started in Spain, northern Spain, beautiful country. And it spread across the, I think it's the Iberian Peninsula, right through Portugal, very popular drink in Portugal. It also became very popular in Cuba. And about 12 to 15 years ago, it started showing up in specialty coffee houses around the country. And that's because it came kind of via Cuba. And now it's a staple in virtually any high-end specialty coffee shop in the United States. So it is a simple drink. It's made in a Gibraltar glass or Libby glass or whatever you want to call this. We make a 5.5 ounce Cortado. Different places make it a different way, but it's typically around 5 to 6 ounces. Some places maybe 4 ounces. The biggest difference is there's a very small number of coffee shops that actually use a double shot. Most of them use a single shot. So how we make it here at Ispirare Coffee, which I think is kind of the most common way it's made in the country, is a single shot of espresso and a little bit of steamed milk. The major difference between a Cortado and a cappuccino is there's more foam in a cappuccino, and it's an 8 ounce drink with a little bit more foam. So if you get a Cortado, it's going to be very smooth. And it's going to be a shot of espresso with steamed milk, so it won't be as foamy, and I think that's better for kind of the hot days in Cuba and Spain. And it looks like this, where it kind of saturates through, so it's a good balance. A traditionalist, a purist would say Cortado is a great way to taste both the espresso and the milk, so it is a kind of a purist drink as well. Now, there are ways you can spice it up. I can put some orange bitters in it. I like it with hazelnut, a couple little pumps of hazelnut. Makes a really nice drink as well. But that is what a Cortado is. A very simple drink invented in Spain. We don't know when, early mid-19th century. Spread across, very popular in Spain, Portugal, and Cuba. And now in the United States, a single shot of espresso, about 4.5 ounces of steamed milk, and that will give you a very nice, smooth drink. If you're a purist and just want to taste some nice coffee milk, this is the way to go. So Cortado, thanks for watching. We'll see you soon on another edition of Coffee Shop Vibes. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll be happy to try to help. All right, see you guys soon.